looks like I'm driving into some severe storms here. With the boss. Going into some severe storms coming in from the backside of the storm. So we're running south on the 421 in Central Harnett County. Just trying to get home. Definitely running into some wind. Alright, very low vibration here. Right. Basically, hold this thing on the steering wheel here. There we go, that's better. Looking wicked. And we see brake lights. Oh my gosh. Let's freak out. Yeah, I'm not sure if I'm going to make it home on time. I'm going right into it. Down. Everybody else wants to slow down. Me, I'd like to just punch right through it. Look at this doofus, no headlights. If you're one of those people, don't drive like that. Very unsafe. It's pouring down right now. You call this a storm? But anyways, I pretty much punching the core on this system, so I better go to two hands and quit messing around with the cell phone. But anyways, you're riding with the boss. punching right through the backside of a line of severe storm. Right here in central Harnett County. I'm on 421. Not too far from Beamer. But I better go to two hands. I might be a good driver, but I better not be a stupid driver. Alright, thank you all for tuning in.